Good morning traders and welcome to today's pre-market plan. My name is Will from Senior Stocks, and within this video I have 3 stock ideas. So yeah, basically just our daily traders. So we've got our AMD, our Tesla and our Netflix. We've also, we will also be talking about SPY as well, with bullish over and bearish levels for each idea. So without further ado, let's get into this quick little video and try and make it as quick and sweet as possible so you guys can know what are my thoughts, and also if you've got any thoughts, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, because I'll be very interested to see what you guys are watching as well. So first things first is SPY. So if we just load up the SPY chart on my trading view real quick, go on the hourly chart. We are on the hourly chart. So I've basically said touched supply, strong rejection, watching for price to hold neckline from inverse head and shoulders setup. So what I'm getting at here is that basically this recent supply has been tested and it's been dramatically imposed, right? Like on the hourly, we have not cut in very far. You know, we have not gone above this 387.40 level that much. I think it was only, yeah, it was 20 cents above, or 30 cents above, sorry. And, you know, strong supply, strong sellers have stepped in. And it looks like a lot of bullish profit takers have actually taken profits here as well, just by how aggressive this selling is. So now we are actually looking for these recent support zones to be held. So we are, you know, going to be looking to go bearish tomorrow if, of course, we stay underneath this $382 level. Right, and inverse head and shoulders, just to clarify, this is the kind of setup I'm looking at for my inverse. So we've got the one shoulder here, we've got the head here, and we've got the other shoulder just here. So the neckline would literally be around this magnet level, this blue zone, this support area right here. That is where I'll deem the neckline to be. Right, so that's it for SPY. Obviously my bullish over and bearish under levels are on screen, so make sure you screenshot them if you want to use them. Maybe note them down, maybe put them on a sticky note and stick them on your computer. These are the levels which I'll be shorting over or I'll be longing over if the price does you know, stay above. Now one thing I do want to highlight quickly, it might be a little bit confusing because obviously I've got bullish over 378 and then bullish under 382. So basically I'm going to be bullish and bearish at the exact same time. Well, I've only just made these two comments or two prices difficult because I will be hedging a position, and obviously I'll be trading within the day, and if the setup comes around, then I will you know, either go strongly bullish or strongly bearish. And by looking at the market, I am definitely more prone to go strongly bearish in today's session. So next trade is AMD. We did experience a breakout. I have stated if 6.2 doesn't break tomorrow, I will short up major in after hours. And what I mean by this is that if we go to extended hours, you can see this. It literally closed, or the market closed at 59.73, and in after hours we hit the supply once again. So it's either we break through the supply tomorrow and start heading to 62.86 and over that level, or we can get a killer short and literally just ride it down back down to this this recent demand zone. And that is kind of what I'm hoping for. So again, levels are on screen, long over, bullish over and bearish under with profit targets if you want to use them. They are in the description down below as well. Just want to make that one clear. So next one is Tesla. Let's take off the extended hours. So basically ever since we tested $200, it's been an absolute killer trend. So now we are ideally looking for the stock to pull back, maybe retrace a little bit, so we could get in short off that. But ideally I do want to see this this bullish support or this bearish target level, this blue zone right here, to be tested before I actually end up going on long, because I do want to see the strength. I want to see how, if buyers do step up, because it has been used as support in the recent past, as you can see here. You know, it's been a fairly decent support. So I do want to see this level tested before going bullish. So ideally, want to be shorting down to 217. I have, however, put my target down to 217. for entering bearish, but I will obviously be examining price action on the day. Possibly if we gap up, then we could get a decent short at the top of this range, but that is obviously a high risk trade, as buyers could be stepping up for the breakout as well. So that's it for Tesla. My last idea for today is, of course, Netflix. Oh, why isn't this? Sorry, guys. There we go. Idea is Netflix. So I've stated, tested and rejected $300. I feel as if this was a major target for a lot of traders. Would love to see this stock fade from here. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. I mean, if we go on a daily chart, it just looks super extended right now. Like this, I just do not see anyone buying up here. Like, if we just take off my drawings, like, I don't know who's going to look at this stock and say, yeah, mate, I'm going to buy here. This thing's going to the moon. You know, why not? I mean, maybe the average investor who doesn't really have much knowledge, but I mean, I suppose it could go $30 higher to fill this gap, but, you know, it's already up so much. I'm just not really too sure on the actual overall setup. It just depends on how strong the market is. Now, if Spire is gapping down, then sure, I will probably go short as well. But if Spire actually does some crazy moves, maybe this week, maybe next week, then I suppose it could be possible. But ideally, looking at the day-to-day, intraday setups, I would like to go short tomorrow, and I would like to see this thing fall, because I've been watching it for quite a while, and I do not want to miss this killer short trade, which will be presented very, very soon. So ideally, for a short trade to set up, you do want to see the recent higher low break, and the recent higher low would be deemed as this one here. So we are looking for this level, this 297 to break. Although my target has been 290 to break, which is all the way down here. But ideally, on an intraday basis, I want to see this 297 break, and then from there we can go short and hopefully, start testing these recent support zones. Right. So of course, once again, targets on screen. If you want a screenshot, if you want to write them down, if you want to pause the video here, obviously do so. And that is basically it for this video. I will try and make these a little longer in the future videos, maybe add a few more ideas, a few more daily traders. But right now, I'm super comfortable just trading these free stocks over and over again. I mean, obviously, I'm not trading them every single day, because sometimes I do miss my setups. But, it's all part of the game. As long as, basically for me, as long as I know that I'm watching these specific stocks, I know their price action, I know how they move, then at least I can execute my trades depending on them things, because I know where the supports are, I know where the resistance are. So it's just about getting used to the stock and finding the stocks what work for you. So yeah, like I said, in future videos I might be including Roblox. I really do like the Roblox setup right now for a decent short down for earnings. But yeah, that's basically it. So I wish you guys the best of luck today in today's session, and I will see you in next week's video. Make sure to like the video as well. That's one thing I keep forgetting to say, because I really do appreciate any likes given. And also subscribe to the channel if you are new. Right, take care guys.